Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm also going to analyze gold next week for your gold trading. So last week my gold analysis video I was mentioned that the gold dropped to the below 1900 level. That is the accurate gold analysis is now priced at is 1848 level. So we made a huge profit from Telegram group, from the sell group last week. You can join with Telegram, link is below. That is the accurate goal analysis with signals in Telegram group. So let's move to the next week. What will going on gold? This is the daily chart. I am in gold. You can, this trend line is price has reacted much more times, and two times and three times, and the fourth times has reached. So that is the daily chart trend line. This is the level price has reached now 1848 level. So big support is below there. You can see strong support is below. That is the 1815 level is the 1815 level is the big strong support is below there. So will price is break this trend line next week, and the strong support is 1850 15 level, and it is will be retracement to the upside and drop again. That is my expectation is also next week. So I'm hoping from retracement to the upside, above side, and the drop again. This is the strong support 1810 1815 level. So that's the technical picture I have. Let's move to the what is the economic data going on. So last week GDP was released, US dollar, that's the GDP grew at the 2.1%. That is the not negative data for US dollar, that is the positive. Previous one is also 2.1% as the actual one last week was released, also 2.1%. That is the positive for GDP US dollar. So next week is the more volatile event in October 6th, next Friday. That is a non-farm employment change. So previous one is 1840 1887 187k is the previous one. Fed, American Central Bank, is expectation to drop to 168k. So you will touch with non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, and also average hourly workings in next week economic data if you are trading US dollar regarding pairs like gold. So NFP data will drop to the below side. That is the help to the dollar demand dropped, and gold will be buy to the some retracement to the upside. So you will touch with this actual figure, non-farm employment change next week October 6th. That's the more volatile economic event. So let's move to the technically analysis next week what is going on. So I am expectation price retracement to the upside and going to the downside again. That's my forecast. So NFE data is more important. You will touch with NFE data next week. So this is the daily chart. So I am seeing here in some support area in upside, price will retracement to some upside in the support area. This is the area. So I am expecting this move has completed already. Three moves has already completed, and this is the I am hoping this is the pattern, M pattern, double top pattern has also completed. So more patterns there technically. So you will combine with economic data if you are trading gold. This is the support area. I am seeing this is the 1885 level is the support. This support become resistance. This is support, and it can be resistance in here. Support become resistant. SBR is a simple technically theory. So I am expecting price retracement to this support area and become resistance and drop again. So that is the my forecast next week. So you have some buy opportunities, small retracement buy opportunities, and reminder it is sell pressure is also on. He says that there's a sell zone in above support area. So 1885 area is the support become resistance area. Is a simple technically theory area. So that is my first forecast, and 18 15 18 10 level is the strong support area below. You can buy from this level, and also and going to retracement and drop again goal. That's the sell pressure is more. Small retracement is hoping next week to some upside. So I am showing this retracement area to you this in this video. So this is my forecasting. So 1885 retracement and drop again. That's the my first forecast. So that is I am a daily chart. That is my first forecast, and then is if break this trend line, and the support area is 1850 level and retracement and drop again. That's my other forecast. So small buy chances, retracement next week. That's remainder is gold, sell pressure is more. So that's the analysis. You will your risk management well, money management well, get the trade from smaller time frame confirmations.